Welcome to this video. Today, we'll explore TBomb, a free and open source SMS and call bombing tool available on GitHub. We'll cover its features, installation process, and responsible usage. Let's get started. To start, simply enter the target phone number with the country code. Specify the number of messages or calls. TBomb is intended for educational purposes only. Misusing this tool for malicious activities is unethical and may lead to legal consequences. TBomb is a Python-based application that allows users to send large volumes of SMS messages or make automated calls to a target phone number. See you in the next one. Open your terminal and type the following commands: /g clone /c github.com /speedx TBomb.sh. Once installed, navigate to the TBomb directory and execute the script. A user-friendly menu will appear, allowing you to choose between SMS or call bombing options. Now, let's discuss how to install TBomb on various platforms. For Linux or Termi users, it relies on open-source APIs and requires an active internet connection to function. International compatibility. While SMS bombing supports multiple countries, call bombing is limited to specific regions like India. Integrated APIs. TBomb includes over 15 messaging and calling APIs, though some may be offline due to overuse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Here are some of its standout features. Multi-threading support. This enables fast and efficient performance while preventing abuse. For macOS users, install dependencies like Python 3 and JIT using Homebrew, then clone the repository and run the script. For ISH or Debian-based systems, install required packages like Python 3 and JIT, then follow the same steps to run the script. Designed for educational purposes, TBomb is a powerful tool for ethical hacking and cybersecurity training. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. Have a good day.